everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be using a mani using this Texas Girl Dips, and we're going to be using these two colors here. So the first one is a chunky glitter called Country Living. It is gorgeous, has some teal, gold, really beautiful chunky glitter mix. And then the next color is Wine Glass Full of Whiskey, and it is a dark burgundy red with some light shimmer in it. And I really like how these two colors go together, and I really like how it's a little bit darker. So I've been doing a lot of bright colors lately, and I just wanted to do a little bit of a different color palette change, and I thought these would be the perfect colors to change it up a bit. For this mani, I am going to be doing the gel method. I'll go ahead and let you guys enjoy this mani process, and I'll pop back in at the end. Alright, so we're just finishing up this mani here. I'm going to go in with cuticle oil from this Texas Girl Dips in the scent Cactus Blossom. And wait till you see the dropper of this cuticle bottle. It is amazing. I really like it. It's just so different than other cuticle oils I've seen, and it really helps you control the right amount of cuticle oil that you want. And the scent is super light, and I really do enjoy it. So I really like how this mani turned out. I really like the colors together. I just think they're perfect for that dark vibe I was going for. And give this video a thumbs up. I have a discount code as well. I'll leave that in the bottom, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!